So yo guys, we've got Clickfunnels absolutely free without spending a dime. Hey guys, it's your boy over screens and you're watching Internet Trip. Let's begin. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the world's leading and the best funnel builder, aka the Clickfunnels, for absolutely free. And the best part of the video is that you can do all this without using your credit card. Does this sound interesting? If yes, then do like this video right now. Yes, we're not going to use our credit card but our debit card instead. There are certain conditions to make your debit card work. Firstly, your debit card must support international transactions if you're residing outside the US. And then your debit card must also support recurring payments because it's important, and you know that Clickfunnels is a subscription-based software. So you need your debit card to meet two of these criteria, and there you go, you have your debit card working smooth as the butter. Now the question is, how do you get Clickfunnels for free? Well, we're gonna take advantage of the 14 days free trial offered by Clickfunnels, and yeah, all the links used in this video will be there in the description, and I appreciate you going to those links because that just opens your door to a whole lot of other bonuses. So without further ado, let's see what's the website to visit and what are the other bonuses that you get when you join Clickfunnels through the link in the description. Firstly, you need to visit this site and the links given in the description. As soon as you land on this site, you'll see a similar interface as mine. Now either you can click on this button here or you can manually scroll to the bottom section so that you can have a look of the website. So we're now in this section which tells you about the extra bonuses that you get when you join Clickfunnels from this page. The first bonus that we have here is a secret trilogy bundle. Under the trilogy bundle we have the .com secrets, the extra secrets and the traffic secrets. These books are authored by Russell Brunson, the founder of Clickfunnels. The next bonus we get is the copywriting secrets. Copywriting secrets is another powerful ebook that'll help you build your copywriting skills, and it's also a Clickfunnels product so you can trust with its quality. Alright, so the next bonus is a huge one. As you see, it's the lifetime subscription to Canva Pro, which means as long as you subscribe to Clickfunnels, you'll also be subscribed to Canva Pro free of charge. I'm getting a lots of DMs nowadays regarding expiration of the Canva Pro link, but as of now I have no links, but if you're there to subscribe Clickfunnels, then you definitely get Canva Pro. This is a mega bonus and I won't like any one of you to miss this, so better get this. Next guys, as you see, learn organic marketing plus secret tools for free. Let me tell you that I'm really focused on organic marketing from these few months. Facebook organic marketing to be precise. I've also invested into a mastermind from where I'll share my knowledge with you, and I'm also running a private Facebook group where I teach organic marketing, so I'll give you the free access to it definitely. The last bonus that you see here is also value power pack. You may just see 5 bonuses here, but let me actually show you how big this is. So you'll now see the different bonuses that you get with the one funnel away challenge, but you get all this when you join Clickfunnels from my link. So I think the first 2 bonuses here are same. Yeah, they are. The next one is free 14 days trial and you're getting this too. Let's move on to the next one. Free copy of you can also see this. I provided a link in the description, so feel free to go to this site and check all your extra bonuses. These are really hard-hitting bonuses. Like this one you see here is a software, and oh yeah, I just forgot to tell you that all these bonuses you see in this page come with white label rights. This simply means that if you get my bonuses, you also have the right to offer the same products as bonuses to your customers. Does this sound cool? Why shouldn't it, right? So let's see what more do we have here. There are over 17 or 18 bonuses here. I'll leave the link in the description for you to read. I'm not going through each of them individually, but I'll just scroll to the bottom so that you see the number of bonuses. I've myself ensured that everything you get here as bonus helps you some way or the other. Like here you see some courses that are again filled with value, and then you see here are some royalty free music pack. I've taken care of everything, that whatever you might require for your marketing campaign should be fulfilled right from here. At the very end you'll see this secret bonus, and let me tell you, this is really massive and huge. You'll know about this only when you join, and I like to say that this OFA bonus is exclusive for Clickfunnels, meaning that you get this bonus only when you join OFA challenge. Joining just Clickfunnels won't do to get this super bonus. Okay, so I guess I've explained you what all bonuses you get with ClickFunnels. I've explained you the bonuses in this video so that you can understand the value in this offer. Here you see the total value shows you to be over 10 grands, but it's just $100 to claim all of these bonuses with the OFA challenge. Literally $100 for 10k plus real world value. Let me also tell you that another bonus that I think I should tell you about. Yes, so here, as you can see, I've provided you with free funnels from top marketers and entrepreneurs, including funnels by Russell Brunson. These funnels are legit, and so you must not leave a chance to let it go, as you get all this for free. Right, would you be a fool missing all this? Hey, how do you feel about the bonuses? Those are cool, right? And being available with the white label rights makes it extra special, so do grab them. At this point, I'd like to let you know that you continue with the $297 per month plan, and in case you're looking for $97 plan, then don't worry, you're gonna get that option later in this process. But however, if you're willing to sign up for ClickFunnels, then I do recommend you signing up with the $297 per month plan, because these two plans have got vast major differences in terms of value. Like you can see in the screen the major differences, but at the end it's your choice to look for the best plan out there, the one that suits you, the one that fits your budget, and the one that suffices all your needs. If you feel the $97 plan just does all that, then it's fine, or else just look for the $297 per month plan, because it does the job amazingly. However, you get all these bonuses delivered over a period of time to your inbox, and only if you continue the subscription plan. So you must understand this, that first thing, you get all this for free and don't continue. So I lose my point to offer bonuses. Just understand this from my point too. Perhaps if you continue after 14 days, all bonuses will be released definitely. Now click on this button. You'll have this nice pop-up on your screen. There are options to enter your first name, last name, and email address. I'll do that real quick. Okay, so I'm done. I'll click on the button that reads reserve my bonuses. After this, you'll notice that you've been redirected to the main site. On the site now, click on the first button. So in this page, we have to enter our full name, email, and set a password. After you've entered all the required information, click on start building my first funnel. Then guys, in the next page, you'll have to enter your billing details. So just do that real quick. I had entered my billing info, and now we have to enter our credit card details. Okay, so I've entered my card details, and then below you see an one-time offer. If you like to go with this, then definitely check this, or else just leave it as it is. I won't click this either. Below you have this disclaimer kind of thing. Check this because it's important. Then simply click on process my payment information. Guys, so you see how smoothly our debit card is worked, and now let's see what this page say. I read the entire page, and it's about a free training on how to use ClickFunnels to the maximum potential, or how the best players in the market have used it. Okay, so I'll open this in a new tab in case I don't lose this page. As you see, now I'm registered. Alright, we're done now with everything, so now let's go to our dashboard. So click on this button. So yo guys, we've got ClickFunnels absolutely free without spending a dime. Now it's free for 14 days and you can use it for unlimited purposes, so go crazy with it for the next 2 weeks. So here we make it to the end of the video, but before leaving, if you like this video, then do give this video a thumbs up, leave some comment, and yes, do share it to the ones that you feel would love to see this. And if you're new to the channel, then don't leave the video without subscribing to the channel and also turning on the notification bell. I've left all the required links in the description and also in the pinned comments, so do check them out. And yes, I've left 2 links. One will be the direct link that will take you to the 14-day CF trial, which means that you'll miss out all the bonus. And the second one is going to take you to the funnel, the same one that you looked in the video. So here we made it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and yes, keep learning to keep growing.